How to turn on background video in Spotify. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can turn on background video in Spotify. First of all, launch open the Spotify app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Once you land here, find the option Content and Display, then select that. Now you have the option of Canvas. Go ahead and toggle this option on. Now it's going to display short looping visuals on the now playing view. With this, if you head back and launch open a song where there is Canvas available, you will find that the background video has been turned on. Remember that this will only work where Canvas is available. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.